Hi Libra, so let's see your mid-February reading for you and your person this month, okay? So, well, this is a Valentine week as well, so let's see what is going on with you and your Valentine. Okay, so my tarot spirits, please guide me for my Libras in the mid-month of February 2021. What is going on with Libra and their person? Let's see, please. For my Libras and their person, what is going on? Okay. What is going on for Libras, please? This is going to be a general reading, my dear friends, so please, if it does not resonate with you, please do not try to make it your story. Only check this video if it resonates, okay? Let's get started now. Libras and their person. What is going on with Libras? Okay. Okay, so your feelings towards your partner, Knight of Wands, and their feeling towards you, Judgment. So Libras, over here we feel that you are very much attracted towards this person. This can be an infatuation as well, but yes, at least you are very passionate. You have that fire energy in you, okay? You want to make things work with this person. But what about your person? Well, your person is also very much into you because they feel somewhere that this is the person. They know that they just feel it, that something is with this person. But we are going to clarify like how much is this feeling with you and your person together, okay? What is the obstacle in this relationship? Ace of Cups. So this might be a new relationship, so that is why that of a feeling of that infatuation, that this is something new, so that is why we are feeling that we cannot take it to a long duration, we cannot take it to a higher level, we cannot take this relationship to that level. So that is why this can be the problem, that you are really too young or too new to go to a very big commitment level with this relationship. So because your energies are already telling me, Libras, that you have entered in this relationship, but I don't know, you might not be that much, you cannot, because this is your energy more than their energy. They can take it to higher level, but I really doubt about you, Libras, with this relationship. Okay, so what are your actions then in this relationship, and what will be their actions? Okay, so when they will see you that you are not replying to their messages, you are not giving so much as they are trying to give it to you, they might move forward, okay, Libras, because this person of yours actually wants to give something in this relationship, okay? They want to enter, because this is the 6, and when we talk about 6, it always about harmony, balance and peace. This person has that thing, so that is why they don't want to enter into some cluttery zones, like tension zones, where they know that if they will enter, they might harm themselves. So when they will see that you are not giving so much, when they feel that this is over, that this was just a small relationship, like small duration or something, they will move on, and they will move on very quietly, because they might not take a very big step in this relationship, because they really want happiness in this relationship. That is what they are seeking. Excitement is one another thing, but yes, they are looking at this relationship for a longer term. Let's see your overall outcome. 8 of Swords. So yes, when you and your person will feel that this relationship is not working, because you might get that feeling all of a sudden that this thing is not working, and then you move on, you try to let go, and you try to just let it be kind of situation. Let's clarify some of your cards. Why is the Knight of Wands is in the side of Libras? They're feeling towards their person, Knight of Wands. Why is there the Knight of Wands? Two of Pentacles. You might be very busy in your work, your career, your family matters. So that is why you are just showing that infatuation, that that attraction towards them, but you might not give them a proper commitment which they actually want. So that is why you are not sure about that commitment in a high level. Okay, why the Judgment is here on Libra's person's part? Why the Judgment is here in Libra's person's part? Why the Judgment is here? Queen of Cups. See, I told you that they were the ones who are actually, they are the ones who are actually literally, you know, they are into this relationship emotionally so much that they are loving you, Libras. They love you. It can be a Cancerian, Pisces or Scorpio. Cancer, very much big energies for Cancer, but yes, somebody who actually feels that emotion inside them and they want to express those feelings to you, but the expression is not there. You are not able to give them that feeling the way they need it and the way they are giving it to you. Why the Hermit is here in Libra's situation? The action. Why the Hermit is in the action for Libras? Seven of Pentacles. See, action wise, I don't feel that you are going to take any action towards growing this relationship to a next level. You might just wait for the relationship to grow itself, but it does not happen that way, right? You cannot just wait for something to happen all of a sudden, all of its own. You have to give efforts. You have to, there's a lot of effort which is needed in this relationship, Libras. Six of Swords. Why is the Six of Swords here? Sorry. Why the Six of Swords is here in Libra's person's part, in the actions of Libra's person which they are taking? Why the Six of Swords is here? Death. Yeah, so they need action, Libras, to be very honest. They really need that action from you, and if it's not coming from you, it's like it's the end for them. Okay, the overall outcome is Eight of Swords. Why the Eight of Swords is here? Can you clarify the Eight of Swords energies in a different direction? The Star. What else? And the Fool. Yeah, so overall outcome with the Star and the Fool, I'm feeling that, you know, there's a lot of hope in this relationship, but only hope things won't work out. You have to take actions, and there are no actions which are going to be taken in this relationship. So things might turn out in a very different way with the Fool. New beginnings are there in this relationship, but only if you have that feeling of continuing this relationship. If you don't have that feeling from inside, nothing is going to happen. Okay, so that is all from my side, Libras. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.